Hello, and welcome back to the Blockchain Plan playlist, where we're exploring the world of blockchain technology and how it's changing the way we think about transactions and data. In this video, we'll be diving into the concept of smart contracts and how they're used in conjunction with blockchain technology. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. So, what exactly are smart contracts? Simply put, they're computer programs that execute the terms of a contract automatically, without the need for intermediaries. This means that the parties involved can trust that the contract will be executed exactly as written, without any possibility of fraud, censorship, or interference. Smart contracts are built using a programming language, such as Solidity, on top of blockchain technology, which allows for secure, decentralized, and transparent record-keeping. When a smart contract is deployed on a blockchain, it becomes part of the network, and its code is stored in a tamper-proof and immutable ledger. This means that once a smart contract is executed, it cannot be changed or deleted, which ensures the integrity of the contract and the trust between the parties. Smart contracts can be used in a variety of industries, from finance and insurance to real estate and supply chain management. Smart contracts can also be used to create decentralized applications, or dApps, that run on a blockchain network. These dApps can be used for a variety of purposes, such as social media, gaming, and voting. So, in summary, smart contracts are computer programs that execute the terms of a contract automatically, without the need for intermediaries. They are built on top of blockchain technology, which allows for secure, decentralized, and transparent record-keeping. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and watching the entire Blockchain 101 series, where we cover everything you need to know about blockchain technology. Thanks for watching.